Good afternoon students, welcome back to online maths class. So in the previous class we have started with the exercise 1.2 and we have solved up to the third main question. So in today's class let us continue with the fourth main question. In the following state whether A equal to B or not. In this we have four sub questions. Let us take up the first one, Roman number 1, A which is equals to A, B, C, D. So the elements of the set A are A, B, C, D, and the set B equal to D, C, B, A, and the elements of the set B are D, C, B, A, and we have to state whether A equal to B or not. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ set A ಮತ್ತು set B ಎರಡು ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಅದಾವೋ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ನಾವು ಜಸ್ಟಿಫೈ ಮಾಡಬೇಕ್ರಿ. ಸೊ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ದ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ A and B, the set A and set B. So whatever the elements are there in the set A, all those elements are there in the set B. Therefore here it is A equal to B. ಅಂದ್ರೆ set A ದಾಗಿರೋ ಎಲ್ಲ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ನು set B ದಾಗಿದಾವ್ರಿ. ಸೊ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎ ಬಿ ಸಿ ಡಿ ಅದಾವ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎ ಬಿ ಸಿ ಡಿ ಆರ್ಡರ್ದಾಗೆ ಇರ್ಬೇಕಂತೇನಿಲ್ಲ. ಬಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಇದಾವಲ್ರಿ ಅದೇ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿನೂ ಇದ್ರೆ ಅದು ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ ಆ ಕೇಸಲ್ಲಿ ಎರಡು ಸೆಟ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಅದಾವು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಹಿಯರ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕೇಸ್ ದ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಈಸ್ all the elements or the objects or all the elements of the set A are there in the set B. Of the set A are there in the set B. In the set B. So therefore A is equals to B. Andre set A equal to set B ಆಗ್ತಾರೆ. So let us move on to the Roman number 2 second case. A equal to 4, 8, 12, 16 and B which is equals to 8, 4, 16 and 18. So observe the elements of the set A and the elements of the set B. Here 12 belongs to the set A but 12 does not belong to the set B. ಇಲ್ಲಿ 12 ಆದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 12 ಇಲ್ಲ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 18 ಅದ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 18 ಇಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಅಂದರೆ ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ ಎರಡು ಸೆಟ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ ಈ ಕೇಸಲ್ಲಿ. ಸೊ ದಟ್ಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ರೈಟ್ ನಾವು. 12 belongs to the set A. 12 is there in the set A but 12 does not belong to the set B. But 12 does not belong to the set B. This implies A is not equal to B. This implies A is not equal to B. So let us move on to the Roman number 3. A which is equals to 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 and B is equals to X such that X is a positive even integer and X less than or equal to 10. So here the set A is there in the roster form and the set B is there in the set builder form. First we have to write this in the roster form and then compare the elements of both the sets. So here the answer for the Roman number 3 I'll write here since we don't have much space there. So here A which is equals to 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Now I'll write the elements of the set B. B which is equals to condition ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ X is a positive even integer ಅಷ್ಟೇ ತೊಗೋಬೇಕ್ರಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 2, 4, 6, 8 ಆಗ್ತಾವೆ. -2, -4 ತೊಗೊಳಿಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಅದ್ರಿ. ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಈವನ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸಮ ಸಂಖ್ಯೆಗಳು. ಸೊ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಟೇಕ್ ದ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಈವನ್ ಇಂಟಿಜರ್ಸ್ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಂದ್ರೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಲೆಸ್ ದೆನ್ ಆರ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 10 ಅದ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ 10 ಇರಬೇಕು ಇಲ್ಲ ಅದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡಿವಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ಮಾಡಿವ್ರಿ. ಸೊ ನಾವು ಕಂಪೇರ್ ದ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 and 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So whatever the elements are there in the set A, all those elements are there in the set B. Therefore in this case A which is equals to B. So here all the elements all the elements of set A, all the elements of set A are there in the set B, are there in the set B. All the elements of the set A are there in the set B. Therefore, in this case, A which is equals to B. So this is all about the Roman number 3. Next we'll take up the last one. A which is equals to x such that x is a multiple of 10. Multiple of 10 ಬರ್ಕೊಂತ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು. ಅಂದರೆ 10 into 1, 10 into 2, 10 into 3, 10 into 4 ಅದೇ ಥರ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಏನೂ ಇಲ್ಲ ರೀ. ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಸೆಟ್ ಬಿ ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. ಸೊ ಹಿಯರ್ ದ ಸೆಟ್ ಎ is there in the set builder form. First we have to write that in the roster form and then compare the elements. So I'll rub the solution for the Roman number 3. Well, we'll write the fourth solution now. A which is equals to multiple of 10 ಅಂದರೆ 10 ಮಗ್ಗಿ ಬರಿಬೇಕ್ರಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 and it continues. 3 dots ಬರೀರಿ. ಈ ಥರ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಆಗುವಾಗ ಕಾಮ ಬರೆದು 3 dots ಇಡಬೇಕಲ್ಲೇ. Then I'll write the set B and then set B 10, 15, 20, 25 and then 30 and it continues. So here observe the elements of both the sets. So here in the set B 15 is there, but in the set A 15 is not there, and there you have 25, here you don't have 25 and it continues. So see here 15 belongs to set B. 15 belongs to the set B, but 15 does not belong to the set B. This indicates that. So this indicates that A is not equal to B. Therefore, or this implies A is not equal to B. A is not equal to B. So this is all about the fourth main question. So note down this and then we'll move on to the fifth main question. So the fifth main question it is, are the following pair of sets equal, and then give reason. So in this we have two sub questions and we have to check whether they are equal or not. So in the Roman number 1, A which is equals to 2, 3 and B which is equals to x such that x is a solution of x square plus 5x plus 6 equal to 0. So here A is given in roster form and B is given in the set builder form. First we have to write this in the roster form and then check whether both the sets are equal or not. So I'll go for the solution. So I write A is equals to 2, 3 as it is. A equal to 2, 3 and then in the set B he has given the quadratic equation x square plus 5x plus 6 equal to 0. ಇದು ಒಂದು ವರ್ಗ ಸಮೀಕರಣ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೇವೆ. So let us solve that quadratic equation now. X square plus 5x plus 6 which is equals to 0. So we have to solve this by factorization method or the formula method. So this can be written as x plus 3 into x plus 2 which is equals to 0. So multiply these two terms, you get back the previous term. X into x it is x square, then x into 2 it is 2x plus 3 into x it is 3x. 2x plus 3x will be 5x and then 3 into 2 it is 6. Now from these two you get x plus 3 is equals to 0 and then from this you get x plus 2 which is equals to 0. So take 3 to the RHS, it becomes minus 3. You get x equal to minus 3 and then and then here you get x equal to minus 2, x equal to minus 2. So that means the elements of the set B are minus 3 comma minus 2. ಈ ಇಕ್ವೇಷನ್ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ರೂಟ್ಸ್ ಏನು ಬಂದು ರೀ ಮೈನಸ್ 3 ಮತ್ತು ಮೈನಸ್ 2 ಬಂದಿದ್ದಾವೆ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸೆಟ್ ಬಿದು ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಮೈನಸ್ 3 ಮತ್ತು ಮೈನಸ್ 2 ಆಗ್ತಾವೆ. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಇಂಪ್ಲೈಸ್ B which is equals to minus 3 comma minus 2. But in the A we have 2 comma 3. The elements of set A are not there in the set B. ಅಥವಾ ಈ ಸೆಟ್ ಬಿ ದಾಗಿರೋ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಎದಾಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಎದಾಗಿರೋ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಬಿ ದಾಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಅಂದರೆ ಏನಾಗ್ತಾರೆ ಕನ್ಕ್ಲೂಷನ್ ಎ ಈಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಬಿ. ದಟ್ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ರೈಟ್ ಹಿಯರ್. therefore A is not equal to B. These two sets are not equal. So note down this and then I will go for the second one. Well, I will take up the Roman number 2. So here both the set A and the set B are given in the set builder form. First we have to write them in the roster form and then check whether they are equal or not. The set A says x such that x is a letter in the word follow, and then the set B says y such that y is a letter in the word wolf. So here first we have to write these two in the roster form. Roman number 2, A which is equals to, so we have to write the roster form. Whichever letter is repeated that must be written once. Houdre f comma 0 o baritri f comma o, and then l is repeating here. You have to write only once. Yavud repeat agirtalla adanu onde sala baribeku. So let us do that now. F comma o comma l, and then again you have o. O is already written, so don't write it. And then you have the w. So it is W, and then now I will write the set B in the roster form. So I write W comma O comma L comma F. ಯಾವುದು ಲೆಟರ್ ರಿಪೀಟ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ ರೀ ಇಲ್ಲಿ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಬರೆದು ಕಾಮ ಹಾಕೊಂಡಿದ್ವಿ. ಸೊ this is the set B. Now compare the elements of the set A and the set B. All the elements of the set A are there in the set B. The order may be different. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಫ್ ಓ ಎಲ್ ಡಬ್ಲ್ಯೂ ಅದಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿನೂ ಎಫ್ ಓ ಎಲ್ ಡಬ್ಲ್ಯೂ ಇರಬೇಕಂತ ಏನಿಲ್ಲ ರೀ. ಬಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಇದಾವೆ ಅದೇ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿನೂ ಇರಬೇಕು. ದ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಮೇ ಬಿ ಚೇಂಜ್ಡ್. ಸೊ ಹಿಯರ್ all the elements of the set A, all the elements of the set A are there in the set B, therefore in this case A is equals to B. ಅಂದರೆ set A ಮತ್ತು set B ಎರಡು ಏನಾಗ್ತವೆ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಸೆಟ್ ಆಗ್ತಾವ್ರಿ. So this is all about the fifth main question. Note down this and then we'll take up the sixth main, and that is the last question in the exercise 1.2. Well, the sixth main question it is, from the sets given below, select equal sets. So here he has given overall 8 sets and we have to select the equal sets. Set A, the elements are 2, 4, 8, 12, and the set B 1, 2, 3, 4, and the set C 4, 8, 12, 14, and the set D you have 3, 1, 4, 2, and then in the set E you have -1 and +1, in the set F you have 0 and A, in the set G you have 1 and -1, in the set H you have 0, 1, 0 and 1 as the elements. So from the given sets it is very much clear that the set B and the set D are equal. 1, 2, 3, 4, and here also you have 3, 1, 4, 2. The order may be changed, but both the sets have the same element. So B equal to D. And what is the other equal set? Observe the set E and the set G, you have -1 and +1. Here you have +1 and -1. The order is different, but both the sets have the same element. So the answer for this, it is B equal to D and E equal to G. That's what we have to write now. From the given sets, the equal sets are B and D. B and D, and then E and G, comma E and G. That is B which is equals to D, comma E which is equals to G. E which is equals to G. So this is all about the sixth main question. So with this we have completed the exercise 1.2. So complete the entire exercise, and then in the next class we'll move on to the next concept.